Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech G703 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. So I think this model has been out for quite some time now, but let's have a look. So this is using the Hero 2 sensor and Lightspeed, and it's saying it's a power play compatible, Lightsync RGB. It weighs 95.3 grams. So it's actually slightly lighter than the last G703, the non-lightning version. And then this uses sensor Hero 16K, but I think this goes to 25K, I think, but we'll check in the system later on. And the USB report rate is 1000. The resolution is 100 to 16,000 dpi. So I guess this goes up to 16,000 dpi, not the 25,000 dpi. We'll see in the software later. So the lighting is up to 35 hours if you non-stop gaming. If you don't use any lighting, it's 60 hours. And a 5-minute charge gives you 2.8 hours of battery life. Right, this comes with 2 years of warranty. MSRP is like 499 ringgit, I think, which is too expensive. I got this used for 150, which is a great deal. What's inside the box? So you can get the mouse, the Lightspeed wireless receiver, the charging data cable, and then the receiver extension adapter, an optional 10 gram weight, and the user documentation. So it supports Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.11 or later, and you need the G Hub for the software. So briefly going through the back packaging, not sure if you can see it, but it's saying Hero 16K sensor, 10 times more power efficient. Lightspeed wireless achieves an ultra fast 1 millisecond response rate, and then ergonomic design, and then Lightsync is intelligent. So let me just zoom in out, zoom in. Yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this this mouse. Now of course I bought this here, so this is actually already unboxed, but let me just show you what's inside the box. So I think we actually have a sticker, but in this case I don't, since this is a used set. Some user manuals, and a nice card, logo, and then this is the wire, braided, USB to a weird USB micro USB, and this one plugs to your PC or your adapter with the USB dongle. So this is the USB dongle, this is the adapter. So if you use it wirelessly and you want your mouse to stay close to your adapter, then you can use this to extend the range. Or you can plug this into your mouse, or you can just use your mouse wirelessly. Now this wire is 1.8 meter, which is plenty full long. Without further ado, let's look at the mouse itself. So this is the mouse itself. So yeah, I have the Depth Adder V2X here. So Depth Adder is actually a little bit bigger, and Depth Adder is still lighter. So this is 95.3 gram. Also, if you add the 10 gram optional weight, it's 105.3 gram. But I'm using Depth Adder with a lithium AA battery, and I can definitely tell it's still lighter. And also Depth Adder doesn't have any texture, but this one comes with some texture on this side. As you can see, there's already a bit of wear and tear, and at the front and the side here. So I'm quite concerned how this will degrade over time, because it does get a little bit sticky now. And this is the left click, right click, scroll wheel, rubberized. DPI button, and the side buttons. Yeah, and let me show you the weight itself. So you pop this up, and this is the weight. So yeah, it's 10 grand. It says 10 grand on it, and then Logi logo. Then you want to put this back. I even sometimes use it without this cover just to try and reduce the weight. But anyways, so let's just go and power it on. So this is the RGB itself. So you can see there's this RGB on the wheel, scroll wheel, and then also the Logi logo there. And without further ado, let's go inside this. Now, one thing I wanted to mention is this sensor heat doesn't seem to work on my table very well. Yeah, it sometimes just runs away, so it's not as accurate as the surface is not suitable for it, so I had to use this mouse with a mouse pad. But on the other hand, my Depth Adder V2X didn't need that, so just a small remark there. And then this is the software itself, so you can see it's already connected itself. So let me see the DPI adapter. Maybe you can just check that one. Yeah, it goes up to 25.6, so probably there's a update in terms of the software later on. I'm not sure if they changed the packaging itself, but yeah, but oh my god, it is so sensitive. Right, and I have to, whoa, oh my god, that's crazy. But anyway, yeah, so you can change a lot of things, you know, your DPI, your profiles. You can set your macros, actions and keys. And this G Hub is quite pretty useful, and like seeing on the logo how you want it to blink and stuff like that. Now, one thing I noticed is compared to my very old G502 RGB wired, this thing lacks one thing, is the, you know, the something you had to do, like configure your mouse sensor so that it, you know, it gets used to your table surfaces. This thing doesn't have it, and perhaps that thing could have fixed the issue on my table, as mine is like a carbon fiber texture. But yeah, perhaps that would fix it. One thing to note is my hand is about it's more than 15 cm long, perhaps 16 to 17. So I must say, when I switch from this Depth Adder V2X to the Logitech G703, I feel it's a bit too small for me actually. But let me know what you think, guys. So that's my quick overview of the mouse. So let me know your thoughts on this, if you still get this in 2023, because I don't know if this is still going to be on sale. But that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video if you found this useful, and do watch out, as I'm going to make a comparison video between the Razer Depth Adder V2X and the Logitech G703. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Bye.